Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a usable clip. Record or trim a 5-10 second segment where the music is loudest. Clarity matters. Once done, scan the video for visible clues like captions, timestamps, or lyrics on screen because those speed up identification. Next, decide which search route to use: an audio identification app, a reverse video frame search, or typing notable lyrics into a search engine. Make that choice now, so you can move. Now you run the matching tools. Open an audio identification app and play your clip loud and clear, or upload the trimmed file if the app supports it. This often yields instant matches. If the app fails, pause the video on a frame with text or a logo and run a reverse image search to find the original upload or credits. Meanwhile, type any clear lyric lines and quotes into a search engine and use filters by language or year to narrow results quickly. Finish by verifying the candidate match. Play the full track while comparing vocals, tempo, and lyrics to your video. Confirm artist and timestamp alignment. If results are unclear, retry with a different audio ID app, upload to a music forum, or search on social platforms where creators tag songs. If you still fail, improve your input. Reduce noise, use a longer clip, or extract clearer lyrics. One key tip: when things go wrong, ask a community and attach the short clip for other ears to check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.